Welcome, futures traders. Another day, another box smashed. Let's get right into it. April 1st, our first setup came in at 7:40 a.m. West Coast time. You can see the smash spike line hitting over 700, which is well above our threshold of 400. Keeping in mind we are above point of control, we are favoring buys. Using the subchart as our guide, we draw our zone, and when price goes away and comes back, we act. In this case, it was a buy. This was good for over a 30-point winner. Smashbox indicator for the win. On to our second setup on Wednesday, April 1st. Setup came at 10:15 a.m. West Coast time. You can see the smash spike line hitting about 400, which is at our threshold. This was a tough one to take. This would be considered counter trend, but since we went so far up on the day without a pullback, this was a viable setup. The key is to draw the zone and let price move away, and when it comes back, you hit sell. This sell I only held for 40 points, but as you can see, the market started dumping from here for over 100 points. Yet another smashed box. Winner. Two setups. Two winners. 100% accuracy again today. This isn't typically the case day in and day out. There are setups that do fail. This has just been a week where it is working well. We will see you on the next one.